Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Gold USD, GBP USD, GBP JPY, USD JPY, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of Euro USD in front of us right now, and as we all know, after the NFP report yesterday, market got very volatile, dollar started falling, and currency pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD started going up. Because there is a correlation. Okay, if you do not know, then there is a correlation between US dollar and currency pairs like Euro USD and GBP USD, Gold USD. So whenever dollar starts going down or dollar goes down, you will see GBP USD, Gold USD, Euro USD going up. And when dollar starts going up, you will see Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD going down. Yesterday, after the NFP report, there was selling pressure on DXY, US dollar. As a result, there was a sharp uptrend on Euro USD. And before that also, US dollar was in downtrend. There was selling pressure from before only, but after the NFP report, it got very volatile and market started falling. But right now you can see that it is standing at a support level. If I zoom out the chart here, if I zoom out the chart of DXY, okay, this is the chart of US dollar. So if I zoom out the chart of US dollar, then you can see that it is standing at support here. Though there was a sharp fall on US dollar yesterday, but after reaching this particular level, it took support, and at last it formed a green candle. And there is a possibility that market may try to recover on Monday. US dollar may try to recover on Monday, but if it tries also to recover, then definitely it will face same resistance above, because again we have a resistance as a trend line on US dollar. So if market reverses from the trend line again, then again US dollar will fall and Euro USD will be going up, because when dollar starts going down, Euro goes up. Clear? So this is the scenario of US dollar here, and you can see that just the opposite of US dollar, we have a strong uptrend on Euro USD. If you look at the overall chart of Euro USD here, then we can see that overall the market is in downtrend. But if we just look at the present trend of the market, then there is no doubt that Euro USD is in strong uptrend. And considering the present trend of the market, considering the bullishness of the market, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, because see, our trades will last for a couple of minutes to couple of hours. Therefore, we should mainly focus on the present trend of the market, and the present trend of the market is bullish. So trend of the market is clear. Okay, so the next important point for us is AOV, area of value. As I've already discussed in hundreds of my videos, that before executing any order, we should always try to find the area of value. Area of value means the best trading opportunity or the best trading spot. In an uptrend market, the best buying opportunity or trading opportunity is always near the support, whereas in a downtrend market, the best trading opportunity or the best selling opportunity is always near the resistance. This market is an uptrend, therefore the area of value or the best buying opportunity will also be near the support. And as you can see that I have already drawn a trend line here, and as you can see, this trend line is acting as a valid support for the market. Therefore, I'll request you to draw this trend line. And considering the position of US dollar, there is a possibility that US dollar will be going up a little. And if dollar goes up, then definitely Euro will fall. And when Euro will be bouncing, Euro USD will be bouncing from this trend line, you can go for buy order, because you can see that at 1900 we have a resistance. We have a resistance here, and yesterday it faced resistance at this particular point. So 1.1900 is your take profit target. Okay, is your take profit target, and your best trading opportunity or buying opportunity will be at this particular trend line. So when Euro USD will be taking support and bounce from here, you can go for buy, not before that. Because if you buy here, then your risk to reward ratio does not match, and you should not short the market also, because you will be going against the trend. So therefore the only safe trading opportunity for you right now is buy at this support level. So when Euro USD will be coming down, and I have already explained why there is a possibility of some selling on Euro USD because of US dollar. So when Euro USD will be bouncing from this trend line, you can go for buy. This will be your take profit target, this resistance. Okay. And on the other hand, if there is a sudden heavy selling pressure on Euro USD, and if Euro USD breaks this trend line, do not short the market. Okay, just listen to me carefully. Do not short the market. Then just wait for buying opportunity at this particular level, 1.1800. This will be your next buying opportunity if market breaks this support. But still do not short the market, because this market is in uptrend, dollar is in downtrend. You may get trapped, your order may get trapped, you will be in trouble. Therefore buy here, first trading opportunity, and second buy here. This is a second trading opportunity. And on the other hand, if there is a sudden buying pressure on Euro USD, and if market breaks this level, then wait for 4 to 6 hours. If you see that after 4 to 6 hours market is trading comfortably above this level, then you can go for buy order. Okay, then you can go for buy order above this level, because then you'll get the confirmation that the resistance has become the support. Then you can go for buy order. Otherwise, wait and wait. So first trading opportunity is this, buying at the trend line. If market bounces and goes up, okay, if market breaks the trend line, then this line 1.1800 will be a second buying level. And on the other hand, if market breaks this resistance and goes up, wait for 4 to 6 hours, let the resistance become the support, then click on the buy button. So these are the opportunities for you on Euro USD. And if you go the Forex sentiment meter here, you can see that 76% retail traders have taken short position and 23% retail traders have taken long position. And as we all know, 90%, more than 90% retail traders lose money because they fail to follow the trend of the market. And in this bullish market, they have taken short position. And this is the main reason I always request you that trade wisely, trade properly, and trade with proper analysis. And lastly, my dear friends, I have recently launched a Pro Trader membership program. If you want to be a part of my analysis, and if you want to know more about what is the Pro Trader program, then just go to the Pro Trader section on my website. You will find everything on detail. Okay. And if you want to learn trading from me, then you can just visit the workshop section on the website. You will find everything in detail if you want to learn from me with personal one-on-one classes. That's it. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. Be careful. See ya tomorrow again. Bye bye.